Meaning of inconsistently.
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 Inconsistently. The term inconsistently refers to something that lacks uniformity or regularity. It implies that the behavior or results being observed are unpredictable, unstable, and vary significantly over time or under different circumstances. When an action or behavior is performed inconsistently, it suggests that it is not reliable, and the outcomes may be uncertain. Therefore, something done inconsistently is often viewed as being incomplete or unreliable. For example, a student who studies inconsistently will likely not perform well in their exams. Inconsistency can lead to confusion and mistrust, especially when dealing with critical tasks or responsibilities.